This morning we'll be taking the SkyTram up to Whistler Mountain, as yesterday we pre-booked our tickets and time slot for today's gondola ride up. First though, it's time for breakfast. It's a few minutes drive just outside Jasper town to the SkyTram. Of course, if you have time and energy, you can hike up the mountain, but obviously the gondola's much quicker and a lot easier too. It takes just 7 minutes to arrive at the mountain station at an elevation of 2,263 meters. A further half-hour hike up to the summit at 2,463 meters is a must-do. And up here you have an amazing 360-degree panoramic view of the Rocky Mountains. Wow! There's a restaurant at the upper station, but after waiting for over 20 minutes to get a coffee, we walked out and upwards to the summit. In a previous video, I mentioned just how long Canadian freight trains can be. Well, here's the only way you'll ever see the whole train in one shot, from a great height. Now walking up to the summit of Mount Whistler. Trusty wife behind me, somewhere. There she is. Not at all out of breath. Well, somewhat. Somewhere up there's the summit. Yeah, it's a bit of a climb up here. As expected, it's a good few degrees cooler up here, with a bit of a breeze. But we're so fortunate to have a clear sunny day. Yeah. And the views, just incredible. Absolutely phenomenal. Way down below is Jasper's townsite. And from up here, amazing views of the many lakes as well. It's a bit of a puff and wheeze fest on the steeper sections. You saw the plaque and you thought that was a summit?
That's it.
No, it's that away. Before reaching the summit, we take a diversion for views to the south. This looks amazing. A mini cairn that's scattered on sites all over the world. Right, so we're off to the summit. So, from the SkyTram terminal, and without diversions, it's a 1.4 kilometre hike to the summit, with a 200 metre elevation gain. So, if you're puffing a bit, it's probably due to the slightly thinner air up here. The summit's not far away. It's a bit of a puff fest.
Puffed me?
Yeah, not you, Miss Keep Fit. There we are, look. That looks to be it. Truly spectacular. Those mountains, wow. Right, let's whiz up there. Hi folks. There's the sundial. Wow. Mount Robson, the snowy peak in the background, 100 kilometers away. As I do a 360-degree panorama, it feels like we're on top of the world up here. And at 2,463 meters, over 8,000 feet, the Rockies are just so awesome. As a photographer, I'm sometimes asked whether I'm missing what's really around me whilst peering through a lens. I always say no, because I am absorbing what's around, although focusing on compositions and potential imagery, of course, but I am documenting my experiences and bringing home memories that will last a lifetime. Oh well, time to head back down. It's been a fab day.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Just hold your breath the whole way down. No guys, it's gonna be the exact same as the way up, except for going down. We're gonna have one little bump in the road. It's gonna be 7.5 minutes. If you have any questions, shout them out. We got 2 tram guides here. Do our best to answer, but luckily for you guys, we'll be a lot quieter this way down. The only thing I am going to point out, in case the guy on the way up didn't point it out, you guys are real lucky. Today we can see Mount Robson off to the outside window there. The tallest mountain in the Rockies. So if you noticed, there's some lights down in the bottom station. So when a yellow one flashes, that's when we're getting like 35-kilometer-hour winds. And so like it'll just automatically slow us down, but we'll continue to go. And then there's a red one if it gets above, I think, 45 kilometers or something like that. It's clear.
It's nice to have a conversation like this while you're during.
So older the cable.
Never in the winter. Yeah. Right, for anyone who can try to wave, I forgot to wave at Brooke last time, so she's gonna be grumpy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hear about it at the end of the day. She was looking, so.
Is there any hope to like getting rid of them, or is it just?
It's got to be really,
We all
really
came
cold.
this
It's going to
way,
be
right?
minus 40 for a couple
Basically,
weeks.
Oh,
They
really?
themselves
Yeah,
on a house and home.
Since 2014,
We had it 50